we have been conditioned into needing to be perfect in order to be accepted.
Mm-hmm.
It's really sad. A lot of us had parents that wanted the best for us, the absolute best for us. And they put very high expectations on us, hoping that with those high expectations would get us the results that they were looking for, right? So that it would help us as kids excel. And if we can excel and exceed expectations, then, we're going to get an A or we're going to get 100% on a test. And then that's going to enable us to have opportunities that people that get lower grades wouldn't have.
Mm-hmm.
And then that would enable us to get a good job and make a lot of money or enough money to sustain ourselves. So they just wanted the best for us, but in their desperation of wanting the best for us, sometimes they came across harshly. And then they weren't there to pick us up off the floor when we failed. Because, when we're young, we mess up. It's part of being a kid. We just mess up and we're learning. And sometimes we have to mess up doing the same thing several times before we get it.